Foshan Yehang Electronic Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of electrical ultrasonic humidifiers, aroma diffuser, and air purifiers. Our factory was established in 2006, located in Shunde, Foshan, Guangdong. Occupied area 2,500 square meters and verified by ISO 9001. Our turnover is up to USD 4 million in the past 12 months. We have more than 100 employees, including 10 professional R&D staffs. With the powerful R&D department, we develop at least 10 new models to different markets every year according to the different requirements. OEM and ODM orders are welcomed. We have a strict QC team ensure the quality from the raw material to the end products. Based on the strict quality control, our products are approved by CE, CB, RoHS, FCC, PSE, KC standards. We have a customer-friendly sales team, patient attitude, and professional knowledge, provide you a comfortable communication experience, help you to solve all problems during pre-sales and after-sales period. Our products have good reputation in the world, selling to the domestic market and more than 30 overseas countries and regions, especially in America, Europe, Middle America, Eastern Europe, and East Asia. As a reliable manufacturer, stable quality, competitive price, and customer-oriented are always our permanent principle. You are warmly welcome to visit us anytime. Looking forward to establishing a long-term cooperative relationship with you.